Listen, sometimes life isolates you not to punish you, but to rebuild you. This video is for the ones who are trying to get stronger on their own, silently, painfully, but powerfully. 1. Strength begins the moment you stop waiting for someone to save you. When you realize it's just you, your effort, and your discipline, that's when you start becoming unstoppable. 2. You won't always get support. You won't always be understood. But that's fine. Your journey is personal. And the strength you gain from walking alone is something no one can take from you. 3. Life forces you to stand alone so you can learn who you truly are. It's in those quiet battles, with no applause, that your character becomes unbreakable. 4. People will leave, promises will break, and situations will test you. But remember, your strength isn't built around them. It's built inside you. 5. Being alone feels heavy, but that's where transformation begins. When you learn to motivate yourself, discipline yourself, and push yourself, you rise like someone who needs no backup. 6. Your silent struggles are shaping you. Every day you keep going, even when no one sees your effort, you're building a version of yourself that even you will be proud of. 7. Standing alone isn't a weakness. It's training. It's the universe teaching you focus, resilience, and inner power, the kind people can't give you, only pain can. 8. One day you'll thank yourself for not giving up, for fighting through lonely nights, for choosing growth over comfort. That version of you will be stronger than anyone expected. 9. The more you rely on yourself, the stronger you become. When you stop expecting and start creating, life shifts. You stop surviving and start rising. 10. Your journey might be lonely now, but it's shaping a future you can't even imagine. Keep going. Your strength is being built in silence, and one day, the world will hear it loud. 11. Sometimes you only realize your true power when life gives you no other choice. When there's no hand to hold, no voice to guide you, just your own strength pulling you forward. 12. The world won't clap for you while you're building yourself. But that's okay. Your growth isn't meant for applause, it's meant for your evolution. 13. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're learning how to survive without depending on anyone. That phase is tough, but it builds a version of you that's unstoppable. 14. If you knew how strong you actually are, you would never doubt yourself again. Every obstacle you've overcome alone is proof that you can handle anything life throws at you. 15. Loneliness hurts, but it also teaches. It teaches you how to think clearly, how to protect your energy, and how to grow in silence when the world forgets to check on you. 16. Your old self will fight you. Your doubts will try to break you. But the moment you keep pushing anyway, you step into a stronger, more disciplined version of yourself. 17. Every time life goes quiet, don't panic. That's the universe telling you to rebuild, to rise, to recreate yourself without noise, without pressure, without anyone's expectations. 18. Be proud of yourself. Not because life is easy, but because you continue to push through things that would break most people, and you do it alone. 19. Some chapters require isolation. Not because you're meant to be alone forever, but because your next level needs a stronger, clearer, more focused you. 20. When you stop seeking external validation, you unlock real power. The kind of power that doesn't crack under pressure, doesn't fear loneliness, and doesn't wait for approval. You are stronger than you think. Every challenge, every lonely moment, every silent battle, it's all shaping you into someone powerful. Keep choosing yourself. Keep rising.